Today we are going to be learning how to do a Cherokee flat reed pattern, and this pattern is called the Chief's Daughter. It's a very common one and it makes a diamond. Now normally Cherokee people would weave baskets and mats out of flat reed, which could either be river cane, maybe white oak, but today we're going to do it with just a regular sheet of white paper and some construction paper. So you will find that there's an attached template, and this is how we're gonna follow our pattern. And to get our materials ready, what we need to do is we need to get a sheet of paper, and we're gonna fold it in half long ways. And what we wanna do is we wanna cut slits in here that we're gonna weave our colored piece of paper into. So you need a pair of scissors, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a slit about 1 inch in, and instead of cutting all the way, we're gonna stop. So we have about 1 inch right here, and you can see we've stopped. So when we open this up, we're gonna have all these little pieces along here that we can weave our colored paper into. So go ahead and cut slits in the rest of your piece of paper. Now we're gonna unfold our piece of paper, and we're gonna flatten out that crease. And now you can see that we have lots of little pieces that we're gonna use to weave our pattern into. So what's helpful is if you have a ruler or a piece of paper by your pattern, and that's how we're gonna keep track of where we are. So I'm gonna place it right here at the bottom. And so this bottom row is our first we're gonna do in our pattern. So anywhere on this pattern that you see white, that means that this colored piece of paper is going to go under. See, it's white, so the colored is under, so you can't see it. And anywhere that you see black, that means that the color is gonna be on top, see? So on top and black. So let's put our ruler on the first row, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 unders, and then 1 on top. So we're gonna go under 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And if it helps, you can pick this piece of paper up. So let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then we're gonna go over 1, and then we're gonna go under. And we're gonna go under 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's gonna be the end of our pattern. So my piece of paper isn't as big as our pattern. So we're just gonna put that guy right there. And we're gonna move it all the way down to the bottom. And we're gonna move our ruler up 1 more step. So on the second line right here, we can see we start out on top. So we're gonna be on top of our first little line right here. And we're gonna go under 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then our black means our color's gonna be on top. And so we're gonna go over 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna go under again. And it's gonna be 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 9, it's gonna be under 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's just gonna be under the whole rest of the paper. So we're gonna push that through. And we're gonna slide this down. And you can already see the bottom point of our triangle coming out. We're gonna move our ruler up 1. And now this one, you can see that there's 2 blacks, so we're gonna be on top twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna go under 7, and then black means on top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, on top 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, under 7, over 5, under 7. Okay? So let's do this together. We're gonna speed it up, and we're gonna come back at the end of this row. Okay, so now we put in this row. So we have our 2 that we started with. We went under 7, over 5, and then under 7. So our next row is gonna be 3s. So we're gonna go over 3, under 5, and then you see all these blacks, we have 3s. So we're gonna go over 3, under 1, over 3, under 5, over 3, under 1, over 3, under 5. So you can see that we're gonna start to be making our diamonds. So we're going to scoot our row down, just like that. And we are ready to go to the next step. Now this row is only 3s. So we are gonna go over under the first one, but then it's over 3, under 3, over 3, under 3, over 3, under 3, all the way across. So now we're at the end of our 3 row, and we can see that we have half a diamond finished. So we're gonna go up 1 more row, and we're gonna go over 3, under 5, over 3, under 1, over 3, under 5. Now you'll notice that this line right here is actually an exact repeat of this one. So can you guess what we're gonna do next? We're gonna do this line again. So this is the line where we go over 2, but now we're gonna add in the point of another diamond. So it's gonna be over 2, under 3, over 1, under 3, over 5, under 3, over 1, under 3, over 5, under 3, over 1. So now we've almost finished our first diamond, and you can see that we're starting the bottom point of our next one. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish my pattern. We're gonna speed this up, and then I'll come back when I've gone all the way to the top. So, as you can see, we have 3 finished diamonds. Now, this paper is made to, where you would have more space. You could either cut your strips smaller and cut these smaller, or you can actually use larger computer-sized paper. You can also try scrapbook paper and make it as large as you want. But this is a basic woven design that Cherokee people do. Again, it is called the Chief's Daughter, and it is a diamond. You'll see it in lots of our flat woven mats. You'll also see it in our baskets as well. So I hope you guys had fun creating this design. Hopefully you can create your own designs, play around with it, change the colors, change the designs, and share with us on social media if you like this and other designs that you've come up with on your own.